Today I bring you another smartphone. It's the Oppo Reno4 Z 5G. It's a mid-range smartphone with top technology. It's suitable for professionals and leisure, with 8 GB of memory, 128 GB of storage, a 48 megapixel camera, records in 4K and has 5G network. Ideal for any user. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week and bring new devices to the channel. I have the box of the smartphone, still sealed in the plastic, and let's start by opening the box to see everything that comes inside the box. And I will also talk about the specifications, technology and connectivity of this model. The color of this model is in shades of marine blue, but we'll see that when I open the box. This model has 8 GB of memory and 128 GB of storage, so more than enough for most people. On the box it has the name of the model, is kind of a hologram which reflects the light. We can keep this outer part of the box here on the side, and let's take the lid of the box. So let's start by taking the objects out of the box. We have a thin box that contains the protective plastic cover, and underneath we have the smartphone. Let's start by taking the smartphone out of the box. Here it is, the Oppo Reno4 dual mode 5G, 120 Hz display, dual lens front camera and 48 megapixel ultra-wide quad camera. Fingerprint sensor on the side, 4 cameras on the back and 2 cameras on the front. Let's see what else comes inside the box. Here in this box that comes on top, there is a metal tool to be able to remove the phone card slot to connect to your communications network. It also brings some documentation, a quick start guide and information of the phone, and a cover to protect the smartphone, which is transparent. We still have more stuff inside the box. We have a power charger, also from Oppo. It's a 18-watt charger with a USB Type-A plug, all in white. We also have a cable, one cable for power charging and data transfer that comes well fixed in plastic, but we can see that is a USB Type-A to connect to the transformer and with USB Type-C to connect to the smartphone. And finally, it even includes earphones, which use a 3.5mm connection, and nothing else comes in the box. This smartphone on the bottom has a USB-C connection and a 3.5mm audio connection, and that's all that comes inside the box of this Oppo smartphone. I'll arrange everything on the table so you can see it well. With everything arranged, we have a smartphone, a protective cover, a tool to take out the SIM card, documentation, a charger, USB cable and earphones. And that's all you can expect in the box of this smartphone. Later, I will talk in detail about the technology specifications of this smartphone. This is Oppo's mid-range model. It is good for professionals and more than enough for the general public, and even good to play games. This smartphone allows you to upgrade to Android 12 or higher, and it has the ColorOS 11.1 interface. The screen takes up almost the entire phone. It has a very small edge. On the right side there is a power button, which is a fingerprint reader to unlock the phone. I've already pressed the button, so it's already starting. On the top there's a hole for the microphone. It also has an audio speaker to listen to phone calls. On the left side it has 2 buttons to control the sound volume. It also has a slot for the communications cards, which you need to use the metallic tool to remove, then just pull, and you can see it has a space to place 2 cards. Let's put it back together. On the bottom it has a 3.5mm audio connection, a microphone, a USB Type-C plug and the audio speakers. On the front it has 2 front cameras on the corner, and at the back It has 4 cameras with a LED light. And physically, these are the characteristics of this smartphone, the Oppo Reno4 Z 5G. This is a smartphone with very good specifications, but it's not perfect. But I will show you everything, from unboxing, technology analysis, connectivity, speed and battery tests, and how to repair, so you can decide if you should buy this smartphone. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question, write in the comments.